Welcome, and front of me is a Huawei Y6P, and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. So to get started, I want to hold the power key, and once again select power off, and wait for the device to shut off. Now once it has, what you want to do is hold the power key and volume up, both of those keys at the same time. And when you see the Huawei logo, you want to let go of only the power key and keep holding the volume up till Huawei logo disappears. Okay, so we can let go now and simply wait for the device to boot into recovery mode. And now that we're in recovery mode, you want to simply tap on safe mode at the bottom, and let's wait for the device to boot back up into safe mode. And as you can see, we're now in the safe mode as it's visible on the bottom. Let me quickly put in a pin for the SIM card. And there we go. So the device is now in the desired mode. And that is how you put it into the safe mode. Now if you want to leave this mode, all you need to do is simply hold the power key and select restart right here. And when it's back on, it will be then back in the normal mode. And you can see that we're now back in normal mode. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.